push it in deeper. Now lift it up. Easy.
System continuously feeds the electric motors down the conveyor line, moving them efficiently towards the industrial washing tunnel entrance.
The motors continue their path under the overhead pipes as the washing cycle begins, ensuring a thorough clean before final assembly.
Here, the motors enter the cleaning phase. High-pressure water jets remove any contaminants before the next stage of production.
The magnets are crossing onto the copper line again. I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Here at the main plant, the molten copper reaches temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius as it is carefully poured into the casting molds.
Freshly cast, these copper bars retain immense heat as they begin their slow journey down the cooling conveyor line.
Emerging polished and gleaming, the copper sheets reflect the intense factory lights as they are rapidly transported for the next stage of production. Large copper sheets enter the automatic cutting machine. The machine cuts the sheets into perfectly round copper discs used for making copper utensils.
Check the temperature gauge on sector 3. It's running a little hot. Yeah, copy that. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Here at the factory, multiple polishing heads work in sequence to clean and shine the copper pots, resulting in a flawless, mirror-like finish. Here at the factory, multiple polishing heads work in sequence to clean and shine the copper pots, resulting in a flawless, mirror-like finish.
Here in the cleaning station, high-pressure water eliminates any trace of dust or fingerprints.
Here at the packing line, every copper pot is meticulously wrapped in protective foam before shipment, ensuring the highest quality upon arrival.
Here at the factory, the handcrafted copper pots move efficiently down the line, each one meticulously packed into a premium box.
We need more tape on this side. The last batch shifted during transit.
All right, I'll reinforce the seam now.